Hey bro, nice shots there.
Yeah, you're not too bad yourself, you kid.
Thanks. You play often?
Not really. It's really hot these days.
Yeah, I feel it too, especially when I'm doing site survey for my solar rooftop PV, which helps harness green energy for my customers.
Yes, the building owners and landlords we work with, they're really dealing with climate change these days. We're helping them to make their buildings more energy efficient and to decarbonize.
Then our sustainable energy solutions must be in huge demand now.
Yes, the built environment industry is more aware and they're improving to achieve the super low energy building standard. To help them, we use our digital solutions like IoT sensors and AI to dynamically cool their buildings more efficiently.
The push towards sustainability is a global shift. When I moved from being a power grid engineer to now where I design and develop sustainable energy solutions, we're able to give the customer complete end-to-end solutions, which help them create a lot of value.